How many animals do you see? Big ones, little ones. Come explore with me. Fun facts. Rainforest. This frog can jump. This frog can jump. This anaconda is very long. This anaconda is very long. This jaguar can run. This jaguar can run. This gorilla is very large. This gorilla is very large. This piranha can swim. This piranha can swim. This crocodile is green. This crocodile is green. This spider has 8 legs. This spider has 8 legs. This tiger has stripes. This tiger has stripes. This dragonfly is very small. This dragonfly is very small. Trees. This sloth lives in the trees. This sloth lives in the trees. This chameleon is colorful. This chameleon is colorful. This orangutan is strong. This orangutan is strong. This panda is black and white. This panda is black and white. This parrot is colorful. This parrot is colorful. This monkey is brown. This monkey is brown. This squirrel is small. This squirrel is small. This toucan can fly. This toucan can fly. This lemur has a long tail. This lemur has a long tail. Forest. This porcupine lives in the forest. This porcupine lives in the forest. This woodpecker can fly. This woodpecker can fly. This moose is very large. This moose is very large. This deer has antlers. This deer has antlers. This eagle is black and white. This eagle is black and white. This hawk has wings. This hawk has wings. This beetle is very small. This beetle is very small. This bear is strong. This bear is strong. This chipmunk has stripes. This chipmunk has stripes. Forest at night. This bat has wings. This bat has wings. This wolf is gray. This wolf is gray. This owl can fly. This owl can fly. This fox can run. This fox can run. This moth has wings. This moth has wings. This skunk is black and white. This skunk is black and white. These fireflies are small. These fireflies are small. This raccoon is busy in the forest at night. This raccoon is busy in the forest at night. This hedgehog is busy in the forest at night. This hedgehog is busy in the forest at night. This hedgehog is busy in the forest at night. How many animals do you see? Big ones, little ones. Come explore.